Ever wonder how your body alerts you when you're hungry? Let's find out in 60 seconds. When you haven't eaten for a while, your stomach releases a hormone called ghrelin. This hormone signals your brain, telling you it's time to eat. As ghrelin reaches your brain, it activates the hunger center, triggering cravings and motivating you to search for food. Once you eat, the food travels to your stomach. The stomach stretches, and in response, your body releases another hormone, leptin, signaling to your brain that you're full. Leptin tells your brain to stop eating, making you feel full, satisfied, and helping to regulate your appetite. Your body's hunger and fullness signals work together to maintain a balanced diet and keep you energized. Understanding hunger helps you listen to your body. Subscribe for more amazing science facts.